Want to create a brand new Netflix account on your Android phone? If you've never used Netflix before or you want a fresh account for yourself or family, in this video I'm going to show you how to make one step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Play Store on your Android, search for Netflix. Install the app from here and wait for the app to finish installing. Now open the Netflix app. Tap Get Started. Here, enter an authentic and secure email address you have. Now tap Get Started. Since your account is new, you will be on this link. Tap on Continue to Email. Tap on the Netflix email at the top. Now tap on Create Your Account. From this link, you need to tap on Next. Now choose a plan that's right for you. After that, find the next option and tap on it. Now simply choose your payment method and pay for the plan you have chosen. Once that part is done, your new account will be created. And that's it. That's how you create a brand new Netflix account on your Android phone. If this guide helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.